How to fix TikTok repost button not showing. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you the easy way to fix TikTok repost button not showing. So do watch the video till the end. Without much ado, let's dive right into the video. First, launch TikTok app on your device, update and make sure to log into your particular account. Tap the profile icon at bottom right corner from your home screen of TikTok. Tap three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Tap Setting and Privacy. On this page, tap Privacy button. Make sure that under Discoverability, you will find the Private Account button. And don't forget to disable the Private Account button, because if you have set your account to private, then you will not be able to share or repost the videos to public. So if it is toggled on in this way, you simply need to tap on the button and toggle it off and tap on switch to public account. This is the first step that you need to do. After that, come to the home page of TikTok and suppose if this is the video that you want to repost and find the button, tap on the share button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And here is the repost button. You can simply tap on repost and repost this video. So sometimes what happens is if any video does not have a repost button, that may be due to the privacy settings done by the user. So don't worry about that, because we will not be able to do anything for those kind of videos to find repost button. So the videos could not be reposted due to the privacy settings. So in this way, we can easily fix TikTok repost button not showing issues. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and subscribe our channel.